Nothing like third time's the charm. We already had the hole.
Same piece.
Yeah, it's still third time's the charm, right? However, this guy,
Say it's two and a half.
he was resurrected from another piece. That's how we use scrap around here. Time to get this corner piece done. I'm not sure what we're doing about the hole here in the wall. Nothing like a couple pieces of scrap there on the floor. Making good lines. We got that piece up in the corner. Got the L shape. It needed some shims, but that's just how it goes. Got this piece up as well. And we are coming along with this. Bathroom is going to be next. Oh, already regretting it. Out here, looking at the creek. Look at this. Look at this water just rushing through.
Way to fall.
Yeah, look at that.
Drops off fast.
Look at it all the way coming from a little culvert up there, from the parking lots near that complex. That's at least a good 2.5 feet deep. This goes all the way back. This piece was all me, that piece was all me, and all me. I did the outlet first try on these two spots. Look at that. Besides that piece there, we have screws in everywhere. Everything is cooking fine. We are doing excellent progress. Ask away.